Oh my god, this is so exciting. Let's see what things we can find in there. Oh my god, treasure trove of pervertables. Okay, so just so that I am super clear, I am not saying that Bed Bath & Beyond is the place for pervertables, but it doesn't hurt to see what we can find, so I'm excited. Okay, what is this? It is a bottle and straw brush set. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the brush for anything fun, but hey, this rubbery washer could be something. Let's keep looking. Oh, here we go. Okay. All right, here we go. We've got some paddle instruments. Oh, we got whisks. All of these can be perverted. Yes. Oh my god, exciting. Okay, I have to put myself down somewhere. By the way, have I ever thought I would ever be in Bed Bath & Beyond filming a Pervertables video? No, but I'm so excited. Okay, so let's just take a look. I am a fan of these like silicone things because you could hit somebody with these, you can brush along their body. I mean, there's so many things, and it's easily washable in the dishwasher for the win. Oh, imagine what you could do with this. I mean, look. Okay, that actually hurt. Let's try again. Yeah, that hurts. I don't know, I'm really excited to be looking for things here. Okay, so right now I'm moving to the closet and storage area, so let's see what we can find. Well, I'm not quite finding anything yet. Okay, so we're moving on. Oh my god. Pets. Okay, let's see what we can find. All right. Okay, here we go. I'm liking this. So I know these are dog toys, but if you've ever wanted to be a dog or see what it's like to be in the headspace of a dog, this is for you too. But if you're not in the headspace and you're just curious as to exercise your mind as to what is pervertible, let's take a look. Oh my god, what is this? This play strong thing. Okay, it's rubbery. There's things to put snacks. Oh yeah. Okay, makeshift flogging. I mean, this thing's only 10 bucks. And you could do it on the other end too. Oh my god, I like this. And then if I don't like this anymore, I can give it to my dog. I'm moving on because there are people here now, and I wouldn't want to scare them. So I'm not seeing as much as I wanted to in these sections. So right now I'm in the sheets, in the bathrooms. Where's the logo label with this reverse camera? So let's go back to the kitchen area because that was the best. Poopery. I love poopery. But I did find something that is totally pervertible. I mean, what about this back scratcher thing? I'm digging this. I'm digging this. But then look at this. Oh my god, all the sensations that you could do with it. Ooh, oh my god. Oh. Okay. Or we could pervert this. We could definitely pervert this. I've got many ideas. Okay, so I'm clearly back into the kitchen area because this is like a gold mine. Like, I'm just looking at things like this. It's a mixer spatula. Oh my God. Okay, hear me out on this one. Multi-purpose clips. If you're wanting to try clampy things on your body or your nipples, if you are so inclined, I'd be more than happy to help you out here. Oh, yeah, lots of things. I have like so many ideas going right now through my head. I can't even talk in this video. But just look how economical these prices are. $4.99. You see that? $4.99 for an 8-piece set. So many spatulas. Oh, I'm loving this. So anyways, as you can see, kitchen utensils are great pervertables here at Bed Bath & Beyond. So, what did you think of this video? Did it open your mind a little bit more? Do you want to go to Bed Bath & Beyond or just other places to see how you can exercise your creativity and start to play in the kink and BDSM world? So, I really enjoyed filming this, and I have so many more locations that I would love to film on location about regarding pervertables. So if you have a suggestion, put them in the comments below as to where you want me to go next for this if you loved it. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to be notified when these videos go live, and I will see you in the next video.